but always be positive. Woo!
There's no better thing than you and me. We are free. Enjoy this little world. Come with me.
Okay guys, it's 4 in the morning. Sercan is gonna drive back to the Netherlands. He's gonna drop us at the city Montreal or something. We're gonna wrap up the camp and pack everything, and we're on the road. Yeah, bye. Searching for the last stop so we don't forget anything. We're now in the city Montreal at the gas station. John is going back to Holland.
Yeah.
Crazy ride, man. Back
2,400 kilometers.
in 3 days.
Trying. Trying quicker, but I'm gonna enjoy myself too, you know.
Maniac stuff.
Yeah,
And he dropped us here in Montreal at the gas station. Montreal.
Without
Sam and I don't know what we are doing here, but we will see what happens. Ja, geniet ervan, hè. Dus ja, geniet ervan. Geen gekke dingen doen die ik ook niet zou doen. Dat doen jullie toch niet. Hè?
Good trip home, man.
Hey, cheers, mate. Yeah, good luck. We share your love.
Yeah.
I had a lot of love, yeah, but I'm gonna find a piece of love on the road. And you know exactly what I mean.
Later, man.
Later.
Later.
Yeah. The real adventure begins now.
We are waiting for the gas station to get open. Because you need something?
No. I thought you needed to pee.
Okay, what are we doing here then? Shall we go now?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, we have a sort of plan. We're going to the A7 to how?
Almeria.
And gonna hitchhike to Almeria. Yeah. Let's see how hitchhiking in Spain goes. Coffee. We are for the first time in a real city. It's pretty big, and you notice how sketchy it is. Little bit crazy people here. Okay, we're gonna go to the A7 way. So let's do this. Our next town or city is Almeria. Norte largo la costa.
All going to a different way,
Yeah.
not the same direction as we wanted to. So I think we should walk a little bit further.
Okay, let's do that. We're almost at the hitchhiking spot. We walk like 1.5 hours now. It's 10 minutes away. Then we're gonna hitchhike. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we are standing here like an hour or something
and nobody picked us up yet, so we're gonna change strategy. But always be positive! Woo! Now we're gonna go a shorter distance. So yeah, we're gonna see if it works or not. Guys, we're standing here now for 2 hours, taking our thumb up, and nobody picked us up, and we're at the white. And
we got a 5-minute ride.
yeah, we got a 5-minute ride from a guy who says, you can stay here, let me drop you off on the place there, blah blah blah. And now we are here standing for 2 hours. 2 hours sticking our thumb up. We don't care anymore where we go. And then we thought, okay, maybe something wrong with us.
Yeah, because last year we went hitchhiking in the Netherlands and Belgium, and we had many rides, but we only waited for
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah. So we searched it on Google, how to hitchhike in Spain, and HitchWiki and Google say hitchhiking in Spain is impossible.
It's legal, but impossible.
It's legal but impossible. So we're gonna find another plan, because we have to go back to Holland. So we're gonna figure this one out, and I see you in the next one.
There's no better